स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. Today in this video we'll talk about the ODCL, that is Organization, Development, Change and Leadership. So to pursue this course from the TIS you have to crack the TISnet. So we will cover important points like eligibility criteria, paper pattern, cutoff, the selection process, complete program details, seat availability, fee structure, campus and the placement. So stay tuned with me guys, here we go. So friends, if you wanna crack TISnet, then you can join our online coaching program. So call on this number or you can simply visit at maneuveredu.com. And if you wanna join classroom sessions, then you can join at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So friends, ODCL, that is Organization, Development, Change and Leadership. To pursue this course, you have to crack the TISnet, right? But friends, as you know, there are as many as 53 programs in TIS, and to get admission for these courses you have to crack the TISnet. But friends, here for ODCL you have to give TISMAT along with the TISnet. So let's talk about it. The eligibility criteria, here it says you must have the bachelor's degree and you should have minimum 2 years of professional work experience. And here the age criteria says no age bar. So friends, these are the exam details for TISnet. The mode of exam is online. The number of question will be 100. Time duration is 100 minutes. Marking system is +1 mark for each correct answer and 0 for incorrect answer. While for TISMAT, mode will be online. Number of question will be 45. Time duration here is only 30 minutes. And the marking system, for each correct answer you will get +1 mark, and for each incorrect answer you will lose 0.25 marks. So let's talk about the paper pattern for TISnet. Here you will get the 3 sections like English, 30 questions from it, mathematics and logical reasoning, 30 questions out of it, and the general awareness, 40 questions out of it. So overall 100, and guys, here you have to score around 70 to 73 marks to qualify. Then immediately you have to give the TISMAT exam, and here you will get the sections comprehension skills, management, data interpretation and the business awareness, and here you will get 15 questions from each section. So overall 45 questions. Let's talk about this selection criteria. So friends, TISNet score here will play qualifying role here, and here the points consider like TISMAT score, pre-interview test and the personal interview in the ratio of 30, 40, 30. So friends, there will be no weightage for TISNet in your final selection criteria. Now let's talk about the campus. Mumbai campus is the only campus which offered the ODCL program, and it is the oldest campus of TIS. TIS established here in 1936. It is deemed university, and friends, Mumbai campus is the hub of all programs offered by the TIS. So let's talk about the program details. School of Management and Labor Studies offers the various programs for the Master of Arts in Organization Development, Change and Leadership, Human Resource Management and Labor Relation, Globalization and Labor, Master of Arts or Master of Science in Analytics, and Master of Arts in Social Entrepreneurship. So friends, here we'll discuss about the ODCL. And friends, if you want information about HRM and LR, you can watch my previous video. So moving further, so friends, School of Management and Labor Studies has seat intake of 34 for ODCL program. The duration of course is 2 years. It includes 4 semesters and overall 6 internships. 4 are field immersion, 1 internship at NGO and the 1 as summer internship. And it also includes the research work. So friends, in the first semester you will get the foundation course, that is one's knowledge about the society and the overall health sector scenario. And in the remaining semester, the core business functions are covered, such as operation management, marketing strategy, the sales management, finance and accounting. And friends, in the internship, every semester for approx a month you have to spend your time in organization, where you have to go to the work in the organization and apply what you have learned in class. So friends, imagine you are working in 4 different organizations and understanding 4 different cultures, 4 different strategies and 4 different approaches to the business. So friends, any organization mostly affected by some factors like constant change, ability to adapt and stay relevant. And किसी भी organization के बने रहने के लिए it's important to respond changes, adapt to industries, adapt to market changes and adapt to technological advances with impacting both organization factor and human factor. So friends, OD can be applied anywhere in any organization, and OD helps you to understand perhaps the most complex element in business, that is humans. Because humans are complex, have varied behaviors, and extremely difficult to predict. So this is where OD helps changing this opacity and giving a more structured approach to business. So moving further, here we'll talk about the fee structure. So friends, your academic fees only will be 8 lakhs for 2 years, and academic fees with hostel fees will be 9.24 lakhs for 2 years. So friends, आप सोच रहे होगे कि ODCL की फीस HRM से काफी ज्यादा है, right? So friends, don't worry, ODCL is a self-finance course, as here you will get the best ROI, that is nothing but the return on investment when you will heard about the placements. So moving further, here are the career scope and the placement. So friends, as ODCL program helps you to gain a deeper understanding about it and thorough knowledge of organizational strategy, operational excellence, interplay of systems and people processes. So ODCL focuses on nurturing the next generation global leaders who could be potential rainmakers for an organization. So friends, here you can be play the leadership role in these various organizations like Dr. Reddy, Aditya Jyot Hospitals, Cipla, Reliance Foundation, Deloitte and others. And friends, don't worry about the placements, as the World Economic Forum ranks OD specialists as top 10 job roles in demand by 2022. So friends, here the highest package you can get is 27 lakh per annum, median stands at 13.5 lakh per annum, and the average package stand at 16.2 lakh per annum. So friends, this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me in the below comment section. And friends, if you wanna make your career immense and in different way, then you have to choose the ODCL, and for that you have to crack TISNET, and to crack TISNET, join Manwar online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional and full course as well, and you can also attend our live lectures. So visit at manwaredu.com/MBA entrance. You can also call on 8828581455. If you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. Thank you very much guys, all the best for career. See you in the next video.